How's it going, guys? This is 2013 Select Baseball 3-box break. Good luck, everybody. Jason has the Falcons. I'm guessing in Crown. Good luck to you, Jason. We have 13 Select Baseball, Signature Series Baseball, and then 16 Crown Royal Football, and 13 Black Football. So, Crown is a 10-box half case number 2, and Black is a full inner. So good luck to you guys. As always, all cards shipped. Can you get me the big can by chance? It'll save me a lot. Yes, Black always has very nice stuff. I do too. They've got like 1 plate per box, and it's a good rookie class. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, Arch Baseball was ending a little while ago. It's all wrapped up though. We will be back tomorrow. I think this is the last of Select and Signature Series for baseball. I think we have Donruss Optics Baseball. I don't know what else on top of my head. That's good. Alright. Pop open these inner boxes. First break night of the week. Thank you guys for jumping in. Appreciate it. Also, for you football people, massive 50-box all 2019 mix break. That goes down on Monday night. That's the only break for the night. It's going to take a while, and all cards ship. So, a very big hunt for rookie cards, different kind of parallels, inserts, a lot of cool stuff. We've done some massive mixers before, but that's going to be the first one. All the same draft class. Should be a lot of fun. We have, we'll see what happens. If the teams look like they're getting up there, it's a very big mixer, but if in the case they continue to rise, we're going to throw some extra boxes in there, so probably end up being more than 50, but that's just where we're at right now, so good luck, guys. Should see 12 autos, I believe, and as always, all cards do ship. Hayward Todd Helton base. Para Harvey. We have a silver Ryan Howard going out to the Phillies. Zimmerman and Hunter Pence base. These select sets, these older ones, they don't have as much color, but they have more autos. They don't have jersey fillers. Out of 99, Garrett Cole going out to the Pirates. A silver autograph. There you go, Pittsburgh. Thunder Alley. Albert Pujols going out to the Angels. Kipnis and Brown base. Stanton. Skills, Andrew McCutchen, Rios, and Gordon base. Yeah, I like these boxes. You get your 4 autos per, so it's very nice. George Brett and Fuego McCutchen, and you got the base McCutchen right behind it. On a bad start, Pittsburgh. Alright, Edwin Rizzo. We do have a redemption. Rookie card, Arcia. Chen and Cano. Rookie autographs. Chris LaRue. Card number 205, Chris LaRue. Let's check out that set. Let's find out what he's numbered to. Matt Harvey Skills Refractor going out to New York. And Justin Upton for the Braves Silver Refractor. Darvish Moore. Carlos Gonzalez base. Ian Segura. Perez numbered. Rookie auto number 2/500. It's going out to the Nationals. Rookie auto Washington taking auto number 3 down. Clayton Kershaw, Chris Johnson, and Hardy base. Arcia got another rookie. Barlow and Wilson base. Sandoval Castro, Prince Fielder, Refractor. It's going out to the Tigers. Scherzer, Tulowitzki base. Alright. Pittsburgh got a 750. High print run, but the Pirates. Nice start. Stanton Goldschmidt to 750. Darren Ruff, rookie autograph. Going out to the Phillies. Nathan, very glad to have you back with us. Good luck. Pete Rose Silver. Glad you could join us tonight. Vato Zimmerman. Garcia rookie. Number 21 of 25 going out to Chicago. Now we're in Fuego, Kipnis, and Brown base. Corbin Wright Skills. Albert Nice Refractor. Soriano Refractor. Going out to New York. McCutchen and Kimbrel base. Upton, Darryl Strawberry, David Price, and Brandon Phillips. The gold looks nice. I wish it was numbered out of 10. I haven't opened enough of this older Nick Swisher Refractor going out to Cleveland to know what the run is. I'm pretty sure vast majority now golds are to 10. Silver Will Clark, nice going out to the Giants. Starling. Yeah, check it out. If so, Nathan, wait to pay. I can send you an update. I don't want you to pay for the shipping twice. Martin Prado going out to Arizona. Nice select signatures. Diamondbacks. A little dust on it. Very nice, though. Diamondbacks. Tulowitzki and Fuego going out to the Rockies. about 20 more minutes. Those last teams of Crown are wrapping up. And then 13 Black should be kicking off. Dickey. Alright, got 2 silvers. There you go. Toronto, back-to-back refractors. Chris Davis and Chase base. Fielder. Soriano, Altuve, Molina, Matt Kemp. Holiday, Harper, Youngbloods, Buster Posey going out to the Giants. And Mr. Joey Votto, Skills for Cincinnati. Shin-Soo Choo, Adrian Gonzalez, base. It's a 500. Preston Claiborne, Rookie Auto going out to New York. Preston Claiborne, sticker auto. Garcia rookie. Rays base. Swisher, Dickey, Zach McAllister going out to the Cleveland Indians. Select signatures. Very nice. There you go. Cleveland getting on the board. Born Skills, Steven Strasburg, and base. Upton, Derek Jeter. Rookie card, Jose Cisnero going out to Houston. David Ortiz, Granderson base. Freeman, Verlander, refractor Jose Bautista going out to the Blue Jays. Buster Posey and Longoria base. Trumbo, Para, Harvey, Thunder Alley, Matt Kemp going out to LA. Wainwright, Chris Sale base. Adam Jones, Beltre, Nick. Pass got a 750 rookie autograph. That's going out to the Rangers. So rookie auto going out to Texas, their first hit. Buster Posey in Fuego base. And got a nice Mike Trout base card. Hamilton, Ellsbury, Mike Trout, Thunder Alley, got the refractor for the Angels. Marco, refractor going out to the Giants. Weaver, base. Linscomb, Kershaw, Hernandez, Johnson, Pence, and Kipnis, base. Unless some packs of all base like that. Hunter Upton, Hunter Renfroe, Future, select futures, going out to San Diego. David Wright skills, Brown and Andrew McCutchen base. Howard Upton, Derek Jeter, Carlos Beltran, nice refractor, going out to St. Louis. Alan Craig, Carlos Gonzalez base cards. Freeman, Shelby Miller, number to 500, going out to the Cardinals. Rookie autograph. Shelby Miller. Alright, St. Louis. Ken Griffey Jr. refractor, going out to the Reds. Segura and Chris Johnson base. Trumbo and Fuego. Who else going out to LA? JJ Hardy. Base. Para Harvey, Justin Verlander, and Fuego got the refractor. Going out to the Tigers. Cespedes for Oakland, nice silver. Shields and Wilson base cards. Swishers, Ricky, we have another redemption. Machi rookie. Going out to the Giants. Kimbrel and CC base. Goldschmidt, Vato, Ryan Zimmerman, Pete Rose, Chris Sale, and Raul base. Let's check out this redemption rookie autographs. 250. Ryu. Hyunjin Ryu. Cover that up. It's kind of peeking out there. Check out the numbering and verify the team on that one. Just to have butterfingers here, make sure we don't miss it. Corey Luke. Select signatures going out to the Padres. Very nice. San Diego. Verlander skills. Got a Mike Trout base. Jared Weaver. Ichiro Rivera. Ozuna rookie card. Going out to the Marlins. Dustin and Jason Hayward base. Batista, Marco Prince, Jacoby Ellsbury refractor, going out to Boston. Todd Helton, Alex Rios base. Our redemption, going out to the LA Dodgers at a 750. Another high print run, but there you go, Dodgers. Your first hit on the board. They're down to 3 packs, guys. Good luck. Soriano, Jose Altuve, Roy Halladay, Thunder Alley, Prince Fielder going out to the Tigers. Alex Gordon and Chen base. Harper Mike, number to 500, Familia rookie auto. Going out to New York. There you go. I believe that is the Mets. Verlander and Fuego, Robinson, Max Scherzer base. Last pack. We will jump into Signature Series baseball. Cabrera Thunder Alley. Carlos Gonzalez going out to the Rockies. Nice refractor. Kinsler refractor. Tulowitzki and Jordan Zimmerman base. Okay. Not too bad. You get more autos, but certainly not as much color. And the print runs in some of the older products are a little high, but overall, solid break. Thank you guys for jumping in.